Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your phone's hotspot isn't working and you can't connect other devices, don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you simple and quick fixes to get your hotspot running again. Let's jump right into it. Solution 1. Restart your phone. First things first, restarting your phone can fix most temporary glitches. Just turn it off, wait for few seconds, and turn it back on. Then try enabling your hotspot again. Solution 2. Turn on airplane mode. Swipe down to open the quick settings panel. Turn on airplane mode for about 10 seconds. Then turn it back off. Solution 3. Fix hotspot settings. Now go into your phone's hotspot settings. Open the settings app on your Android phone. Then tap on hotspot and tethering. Then tap on the Wi-Fi hotspot and make sure it's on. Also check your password. Sometimes the issue is as simple as entering the wrong one on the other device. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Still not working? Let's restart the network. Go to Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll all the way down and tap on System. Then tap on Reset Phone. Then reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Again tap on Reset to confirm your action. Don't worry, it won't delete your personal files. It just refreshes all network settings. And that's it. These are the easiest ways to fix hotspot not working on your Android phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorial and smartphone tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.